Hello, Brother Thane. Here's Abby in my MegaDesk application. So let's go ahead and add a new desk. We're going to add a desk for Joseph Smith. And his desk is going to be 30 inches by 26. He'll afford 5 drawers, not. We're going to give him a rush order, 7-day. Surface material, pine, orders desk. So then, here he is, 3126, 5 drawers, pine, 7-day rush order, Joseph Smith. You can come in and delete one of these. And you see the information here, it's the same. Alicia Pennington, blah, blah, blah. Delete. And that's gone. We can also edit them. So let's edit Joseph Smith. Let's say it was for his brother Hiram, actually. Hiram, you know, he really only wanted it 23 inches and 36. And then he wanted 2 drawers, actually. And, you know, the rush day was wrong. So it's the surface material. Let's just change it up. So I order it. And there we go, it's Hiram Smith, 3623-2 laminate, 3-day rush order. We can search by the customer name. So let's put in, I don't know, letter S. I don't know, you could probably put in the letter S and get back Tom and Hiram. Yep, there we go, Tom Jones, Hiram Smith. And then if we put in a Y, we should get back Hiram and Abby. Yep, there we go. If we clear it, we can see all of them again. And then if we want to, we can sort by clicking on the tops of these. And then they're alphabetical order, order date, order by width. You can order it from lowest to highest, or highest to lowest if you click on it again. Same thing with all the rest of these. I think that's pretty much it. Have a good day, Brother Thane.